Welcome to Ethridge Plastic Surgery, located in the heart of the medical district in Fort Worth. Dr. Richard Ethridge was voted top plastic surgeon in Fort Worth several years running by his peers and was also awarded top doctor under 40.
I decided to be a plastic surgeon because I am very much attentive to detail. I think that there's no other specialty that can quite say that. Every little stitch, every little millimeter matters. The other thing was that there is not a single part of the body that I don't operate on.
His kindness, his compassion, his understanding are three of his biggest attributes. He's just right for me.
I think that the most important thing is that if something is bothering someone, don't be afraid to just come in and talk. Just by walking in the door certainly does not mean that you're going to have a procedure. We can make a game plan, we can make an outline, some things that we can be done, either surgical or non-surgical.
He was very friendly. You could tell that he really cared about what you wanted, and he was concerned about achieving the main goal.
I think the hardest part for people is to pick up the phone. You want people to come in and feel comfortable with when they walk in the door, they're met with a smile. I think over the last few years I've noticed that there are more men coming into the practice. Probably the most common thing is the non-surgical procedures. A lot of men will start coming in and having Botox done. We as men are starting to not want to age either. Probably the most common procedure that I do on men is liposuction. The most important thing is that people get out and they exercise, and we certainly promote a healthy lifestyle.
We all want to age gracefully, and with Dr. Ethridge's help, that is exactly what I'm going to do. It's going to be graceful.
People think that I'm smaller. It's not that I'm smaller, I've just lost a little bit of me that I wanted to.
It's just given me the confidence that I didn't have after having kids.
But now it's like, you better watch out. Because no telling what I'll do or say or where these days.
Dr. Ethridge came back to start his practice in Fort Worth, where he still takes ER calls at all the major hospitals in Fort Worth.
I want to grow our practice. That's the ultimate goal. I want to continue doing breast reconstruction. There are a lot of plastic surgeons that stop doing that. I think that's important. I think that those individuals need it, as well as I'll continue taking emergency room call until I get too tired, I suppose.